Hello, Chick Chatters. Welcome to my Chick Chat in Chinese. Today, I want to share a couple common Chinese sentences with you. And those sentences are actually made by one of my Chinese students. And I think they are kind of quite funny and also very useful. And let's look at our Chinese sentences for today. Before I start, I want to teach you one Chinese sentence structure. Let's look at the sentence. The Chinese sentence structure is a bit different than English sentence structure. And I will try to explain it to you as simple as possible in English. Let's take a look. 把 plus object plus verb phrase. Look at the Chinese sentence. 把饭吃完，把饭吃完。饭 rice, which is the object. So 把饭吃完 verb phrase. 吃完 is a verb phrase. 把饭吃完 which means take the rice and finish it, or take the rice and eat it. And this is the closest definition I can give you in English. 把书放在桌上，把书放在桌上。It means take the book and put it on the table. 把书放在桌上。And next sentence example. 把外套拿给我，把外套拿给我。It means took the coat and give it to me. 把外套拿给我。And now let's put the subject in front of the sentence. Take a look. Subject plus 把 and plus object and verb phrase. So let's put a person in front of the 把。你把书放在桌上。你把书放在桌上。That means you put the book on the table. 你把书放在桌上。It means you are telling the other person to do something that you just asked. For example, 你把外套拿给我。你把外套拿给我。你把外套拿给我。You took the jacket and give it to me. In English, it's subject, verb, and object. But in Chinese, it's a bit different. It's subject, 把, and something, which is the object, and then the verb phrase. You have to take verb and object, give it a twist, and then that's Chinese sentence structure. It's true that 把 sentences are often used to achieve somewhat subtle differences in emphasis, but there are also very good reasons to use 把 sentences when a regular sentence just won't do. Let's look at the sentences that one of my students made. First sentence is 当他把衣服脱掉的时候，我吓一跳。当他把衣服脱掉的时候，我吓一跳。当什么的时候 it means when something happened in that period of time. So again, 当他把衣服脱掉的时候，我吓了一跳。我吓了一跳。Next sentence. 当他把衣服穿上的时候，我就哭了。当他把衣服穿上的时候，我 就哭了. It means 当 when he puts on his clothes. 我就哭了 and then I cried. These two sentences are very good and they are also a bit funny. That's why I want to share with you. Now, I want to explain what 就 this word means. 就 is an adverb and has many uses in Chinese. But it is not always easy to explain what 就 this word means. However, it appears in several common patterns. And this is the first and simplest usage that you need to know. And it means something like just or then. We will discuss 就 this word in the future. Now I have made two sentences, the same sentence structure for you. And you will understand this meaning better. First sentence is 当我把钱花光的时候，我就开始担心了。When I spent all my money, 花光 spent all gone, all my money, 我就 then I began to worry, 开始担心了。Last sentence for you. 当他把饭吃完的时候，他就会陪你去走走。Again. 当他把饭吃完的时候，他就会陪你去走走。When he finished his rice or his meal, he will go for a walk with you. Those are the sentences I want to share with you today. Before I go, how about you make your own sentence with the sentence structure that I teach you today? Give it a try and don't be shy. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's all for our lesson today. And do you know how to improve your Chinese? I'm sure you know, which is try to memorize all the vocabulary and listen to this video and watch this video again and again until you remember and you memorize the content in this lesson. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.